Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. I'm so happy you're here again.
Hey, I'm David, your English teacher. It's great to be here with Lena, and today we've got something special for you.
We weren't born speaking English. In fact, we used to struggle with it a lot. We'd watch movies with subtitles, freeze when someone asked us a simple question in English, and replay our mistakes over and over in our heads. It was frustrating, embarrassing even. But something changed. We got tired of waiting. We told ourselves, we don't need to be perfect. We need to be consistent. So we started showing up. Every day, we made English part of our routine. We listened. We read. We spoke. Even when it felt awkward. We stopped worrying about our accents. We stopped translating in our heads. We focused on understanding and being understood. We made mistakes. We still make mistakes. But every single one teaches us something. Every conversation, every book, every video, it adds up. Fluency isn't magic. It's not a gift. It's practice. It's repetition. It's pushing through the moments when we feel stuck and doing it anyway. Now we speak more confidently. We can think in English. We can express ourselves. And we're still learning every day. But the difference is now we believe in our voices. If we can do it, so can you. Keep learning. Keep speaking. Don't stop. Let's go higher together.